Hello, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to come on and actually take down my hair. My hair's been in this protective style since Sunday, and today is Thursday. Yeah, Thursday evening. And so I just wanted to just kind of, I've never done this before, taking down my hair and seeing what it would look like after being stretched. Because now I'm gaining length now. I've been really doing a very diligent job of taking care of my hair, doing protective styles. I've been in protective styles for probably well over a year. I've been, well, consistent for, I don't know. Who knows? I have to look at my calendar because, time goes by differently when it seems like I'm paying attention to my hair every day, every day, so because it's kind of like my hobby. So I put twists in, some big twists, and then I stretched it. I didn't stretch it before I twisted my hair. I did a normal wash and then put in the big twists, 2-strand twist, and then I let it dry that way. So I went to sleep with it, just normal loose twists. And I guess I probably have, I'm sure I don't have 30 of them. I don't know, maybe I'll do a quick count. I have, yeah, so I went ahead and decided that next day, when they were pretty dry, I think, to stretch them. I just said, well, let me see if I could just, what will happen if I stretch them? And even when I went out, yesterday after work to kind of run some errands, how you saw me when I came on is how I looked. I didn't wear a hat, I didn't wear a wig, a ponytail, I didn't do anything. I just went out like that, and it felt fine by me. So I was quite comfortable with it like that. So I'm moving kind of fast, trying to move fast, so this video is not super long, but I have a feeling I'm going to have to speed it up in certain areas, then talk to you, and maybe even cut out some stuff, because this is going to take a minute, I'm sure. But a little bit about my DIY. I've been doing great with learning so many different recipes on DIYs for hair moisturizers, shampoos, gels to give it slip, and things to get the follicles growing again. It's been a wonderful project. I've been loving doing that. So I have a bit of a stretched, a little bit. It's looking like, woo, Charlie. But yeah, so this is how she looks stretched out, which is crazy, but we'll pick it out. I'm just curious how many I have in here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I have 24. Okay, so 24. Oh, let me put some oil on my hands. This is my herbal oil, my DIY herbal oil. And so all this time, normally I'm doing something, refreshing my hair or giving it some hydration, moisturizer, and oils about the second day after the second day of my wash. I'll do that. But I didn't do it because it was in that position all that time. Okay, so hopefully I didn't put too much oil in it. And so I'm going to should put this up so I can make sure I get all of them. I'll put a band on it, and I'll make sure I catch them all. Okay. So they're coming out very easily. Turn to the side for you. As I take this down, I'm noticing that my hair retained its moisture very well during these 5 days, and I have no knots that I can notice. I mean, it just feels totally detangled, very soft, very moisturized. I can imagine that after a couple of days, if I had it down, it would look really cuter, much cuter, and a lot of body. But let's see how this first day goes. Look, I don't know if the camera can capture this. I have a black patch, which I never noticed it before doing this particular hairstyle, because I've never parted it in this way before. So I don't know if, that's my first time seeing that black patch. I thought it was kind of cute. It tripped me out to see it. Now, I've been using a lot of oils and herbs that are supposed to, well, the claim is that they will prevent premature graying and maybe even reverse premature graying. So I was just kind of curious to see if that, I did discover something. The other day a hair had fallen out, and the bulb was still on it, the root was still on it, so it was a natural fall. And what was weird was the tip of the hair was gray, like about this much of the tip, and then this much, the rest of the hair on up to the root was black. So it was almost as though my hair was reverting from that hair had grown out gray, and then as it continued to grow, it got its pigment back. So I thought, I don't know, I'm no scientist or anything, but I want to pose that question to some of the YouTube ladies that are very knowledgeable of all that stuff. So here I go. All the twists are out. It's looking crazy. But she is growing. I do see that. I see that. So now, I guess at this point, I'm wondering, what do I do to give her life? It's weird because my guess is this might not look cute, or its cutest until like second day, something like that. And second day twist out. But the hair has been in for a while. For Sunday, what is this, 5 days? I think it's been up for 5 days. While I've sped up the video, I thought this would be a good time to talk about how serious I am about my DIYs. I really do enjoy it, and I'm going to do a much better job of actually posting my recipes. But my thing is, I never stick with anything. I'll do something, and I'm one of those kind of I cook this way also. I cook the way I feel for that moment, so if I don't pause and capture and write it down or record, then I won't know exactly what I put in. But I'm trying to do better about that, and I have a lot of footage of recipes that I was capturing, and because I wanted to give a lot of information about how important each ingredient is for me and why I chose it and the benefits that they're supposed to have. it draws out my research even more, so it makes my project so much longer. So that's kind of what, what my delay is. I think this is about the best I can get for today. I think what I'm going to do is when I go to bed, before going to bed, I'll retwist them. Maybe put about 10 jumbo twists or something, and then stretch it again with using the bands. These bands, stretch it again. These ouchless bands, and then take it out and see what she looks like then. But I mean, it came out better than I thought it was going to do. I think, but it's my first time playing with it. It's been a long time. It's been probably 16 years since I've done a twist out with this length, let's say this, because I did one several months ago back in September. But my hair was shorter, and she's growing, she really is. My DIY products are, and then I'm not just not just what I put in my hair, also what I'm eating, what I'm juicing or adding to my smoothies and my teas and things. So yeah, starting to like it more and more. It's wild, and I like wild and big. Yeah, I'm starting to like it more and more. It'll be interesting to see what it's going to look like just tomorrow. That's all I have is tomorrow, because on Saturday morning it's wash day. So, and I love wash day. I love wash day. It's so empowering to put all my products on and to feel my hair, and it really is. But so this is where I'm at. Hopefully the back looks good. I couldn't tell because I don't have a back mirror. Let's see. So, yes, this is my hair. See y'all next time.